Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over a quick tutorial on how to use Viewstats. So Viewstats is this new plugin from MrBeast, and I've been using it for the past 2 months now, and I must say it's quite useful when it comes to analyzing different channels. So the way that I use Viewstats is that you need to have Viewstats installed as a Chrome extension first, and then once you install it as a Chrome extension, you'll see it as a button anytime you look at a YouTube channel. So if we take this example channel here called Movie Rays, and then we click on the Viewstats profile, this is where I get the majority of my data that I found useful when it comes to Viewstats. So I'll get the total amount of views, and then I'll also get how many views come from long views and how many views actually come from short views. This little graph right here is extremely useful for me when it comes to analyzing long form content. What I'll also do is that I'll also click on videos and then I'll organize it by most trending videos. So right now you'll see that the most recent videos, but you could also do the most trending videos in the past 24 hours. So this is this channel's most trending videos within the past 24 hours. What I also do is I also click on similar channels to find similar channels to this one. So here I can click on these channels based on the similarity score. And it really does a good job as far as finding similar channels based on similar topics that this channel is posting. So I'd say those are the main features that I use when it comes to using Viewstats. If you guys have a better or easier way to actually use Viewstats, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.